So you want to create a new blog post. I don't blame you, it's a great idea. Now I'm just going to do this for WordPress. What you do to get into the back end of your WordPress blog is type in the domain name. So in this case it's www.demondemon.com. Then it's slash and then wp-admin. You don't have to put that last slash. And that will take you to the login page. It'll then ask you for your username and password. You do need to have your username and password. If you don't, you can't get in. You'll then get to the dashboard. As you can see, I've got a load of comments to moderate, although at least 4/5 of those will be spam. There'll probably be barely 100, 200 of those that are any good. Now, you want to create a post. You'll get this screen pop up. Posts, add new. Okay, you're then taken to the WordPress built-in editor. Add a new post. It's normal in most cases to capitalize every word of the title. So here is your title block. So this is a new post. Now I've got Yoast's SEO tool built in here, so as you can see down here, it's actually it helps with giving the snippet view and things like that, which is great. I can alter later. I can write the post content here. I can add headers. So if I want to add a header, I'd copy that, I'd highlight that, click on where it says paragraph, and I can turn that to say a header 1 heading. Okay. If you click here where it says toolbar toggle, you'll see it does take on and off the extra features. So you've got bold, underline, strike through, bulleted list, numbered list, block quotes, horizontal lines, all the justification options, add or remove a link, insert read more tag, which is handy if you just want to post a snippet, underline, justify, fill across the page, change the text color, paste as text. So if you've got something on your clipboard that you've copied from, say, Word, and there's often quite a lot of hidden formatting in that, if you paste as text, it will remove the formatting. Clear formatting, add a special character, increase ident, decrease ident. So that's if you're doing technical documents, this sort of thing would be handy. Undo last action, redo, and then your keyboard shortcuts. So those are just pretty typical things you find in most word processors. There's also the option here on these two tabs to look at the page you're creating visually, or to look when you click text, it's actually the HTML. So that's just plain text, and you can see the actual header 1 tag. You've got the less than, header 1 greater than. I can add headers, whatever. So it depends how you want to work. This is a new feature recently added called the distraction-free writing tool, which removes most of this and just lets you get on with writing. But if you want to use these, most of you do, you'd want to sort that out. Add media. Clicking the add media button, you want to add stuff that's already in your WordPress theme. It would already be here. So anything you've had previously, any images you've already uploaded would already be here. You can click and you can add that media straight away in. And then once you're in, you can justify it and move it about. Or you can go to upload files, select files, and then you just find the files on your desktop, wherever they are. It'll just open a dialog box to your computer you're currently on, and you can find them wherever you are. Or they can even be from another URL, another site if you like. But the most common thing is it's on your desktop or in your documents file. Select files and upload them. Once you're in here, for instance, if I wanted to insert this, I could click on that and click insert into post. Ignore this for now, that probably wouldn't be there because it's previously been used, and it brings it into the post. Now if I click on that, there are options. There's a line left, a line center, a line right, no alignment, and then you can edit or remove. If you click on the edit, there are things you can do such as change the size, change where the links go and things like that. I'm just going to click update and have that there. Well, let's just align it to the left, and there you are. You can see the difference that it makes there as you move around. You can add all sorts of other things as well, videos and such like, in the same manner as you can with images. When you've finished, when you finish creating the post, you'll want to add it to some categories. There should be some category lists here on the right. If not, you can add new category. This is a new category. category. There we are. Now I'm not going to actually add this category because I don't want a category in my blogs called that, but you just then click add new category, and then it would then be a new category. Otherwise you could just tick the categories from existing ones that you want it to be posted under. You would also add tags. So in this case these are words that are relevant but more granular than your category words, generally speaking. So while a category might be SEO or social media or something like that, or cars, say if you're blogging on cars, the tag might be specific to that particular post. So category SEO, tag link building, category cars, tag Renault 206. It may be that you use something like that. So here I'm going to add this is a tutorial, and then I could add that as a tag, and that's now a tag in the post. You can see it there. Typically you'd want no more than 2 or 3 categories and no more than between 3 and 5 tags. Otherwise you're probably blogging or writing posts on too wide a topic. You probably got enough material there to write several posts, so why not do that instead? Focus a little bit. I'm going to remove that now because I'm not actually going to be posting this. You then click publish. When you click publish, and I will publish it because I'll delete it afterwards, you can then click publish, off it goes. You can then here click view post, and I can open this in a new tab, which it will do, and there you can see there is the new post by admin. I can write post content here, I can add headers. It's as simple as that. That's how you use the blogging editor inside of WordPress. Hope that's helpful. Signing off.